Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homie. Today I'm sharing a healthy, protein and fiber rich sandwich recipe ideal as a filling meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in half cup green mung dal sprouts, 1 cup boiled chana, also known as chickpeas, half teaspoon turmeric powder, sea salt as needed, and give this all a good mix. Add in 2 splashes of water, cover and steam cook for a couple of minutes. A couple of minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir, and now the green mung dal sprouts are lightly cooked. Note that the chickpea has been soaked overnight and then boiled. Add in 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder. Asafoetida and jeera will also help with digestion. Asafoetida powder is also known as hing, and I have already shared a detailed video on how to make asafoetida powder at home. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. And now I'm giving this a good mix. Once nicely mixed, I'm turning off the flame. Adding in 1 grated carrot, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli, 1/4 of a capsicum chopped. I'm grating in a small piece of ginger. Squeeze in half a lemon, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, also known as Jeera powder. I have 1 salted amla. I have already shared how to make salted amlas at home. I'm going to grate these salted amlas into this. Add in coriander leaves as needed. And I'm giving this all a good mix. Once mixed, I'm lightly mashing the chana with a potato masher. You can see that the chana is only lightly mashed. Some of the chanas are staying intact. So that is what we are looking at. And my sandwich filling is ready. Now the best thing about this sandwich filling is that you can make ahead this, cool it down completely, and then store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay good for a couple of days. So this way it's an ideal way to meal prep. To make the sandwich toast, I'm using 2 slices of sourdough bread. I'm spreading some green chutney over the bread slice. Place a generous amount of the chana sandwich filling. Cover it with the other slice. Lightly press it down. I'm heating a cast iron tawa and I'm drizzling in little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil. Place the sandwich bread slice on top. Lightly press it down. I like to keep something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help to seal the filling and also will help to toast the sandwich evenly. A couple of minutes later, remove the skillet on top. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil, or you can use A2 desi ghee instead. Carefully flip it over. Place the skillet back on the sandwich and toast that side as well. Once done, remove the skillet on top and transfer the sandwich onto a plate. I like to slice the sandwich just before serving. So guys, do try this healthy sandwich recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.